friends, this is Prashanti Nuti. Welcome to Thursday Think Bites, microboost for macro impact.
Hello friends, today I want to talk to you about my nails. Just before my anniversary, my daughter took me to get my nails done. Long cat eye, chrome design, matching my dress. Exactly what I dreamt as a little girl. But growing up in a middle class family, it was never an option I could afford. And by the time I could afford, life happened, career, family, cancer, and I even forgot the dream existed. They were so beautiful that even after the anniversary, I kept on going. I had accidents in the kitchen, I could not even type a mail without spelling mistakes. I even told my team that I was going to clip them this weekend. I went home, got the nail clippers, and stood there. Something stopped me. The little girl inside me said, "Please, one more day." That's when I realized we spend so much of time of our adulthood taking care of everyone else, but we forget to take care of ourselves. It's not about big vacations, expensive purchases, but it's about those little things that give you joy. Here's the microboost for you today. Think about that one little thing that you dreamt as a kid. And this week, give yourself the permission to do it. The simple and easy path to joy is honoring the kid inside you that you never planned to leave behind. Remember, small actions, big impact. Until we meet again next time, let's keep making impact together. Thank you.
Thank you for listening, guys. This was the microboost for today. For a full episode experience, read the blog article in the comment section below. If you're not a reader, there is an audio feature available too. If you like the podcast, please subscribe and share.